This is probably the simplest mortise lock function there is. It's a passage set. It will never lock. It's either lever by lever, lever by knob, knob by knob. Basically, it's a latch bolt. There's no locking feature, so either lever will provide ability to open the door. So lever outside, lever inside, or lever out or inside, outside, it doesn't matter. So it's a passage set, it never locks. Typically you're going to use these on closet doors or pass-through doors. I guess that's where passage comes through here. It's a pass-through. So a 9125 Passage Mortise Lock Set.